In today's video, let's talk about if dictation or speech-to-text feature is not working on a MacBook Air M3. Especially after the macOS Sequoia update, it stopped working on Notes, Google Docs. Whether you're using internal or external microphone, the mic option is just missing. So let's go ahead and fix this problem. Doesn't matter you're using Mac Pro, Air, M1, 2, or 4. So first, we're going to make sure dictation is enabled on your device. Open up Settings, scroll down for Keyboard. In here, let's scroll down for Dictation option and just make sure it's toggled on, and then press Enable. And then just go ahead, whatever source like Notes, if you want to use dictation in there, and simply press on this F5 microphone button. And then you can just go ahead and check if it's working. Now, if the mic option is showing, but it's still not typing when you talk, go back to the same settings. And in microphone source, just in case if you have any Bluetooth device connected, select which device's mic you want to use. If you want, you can just disable Bluetooth and switch to your MacBook's mic. Now, let's say everything is okay, but dictation is somehow not working. Now we're going to go to the same settings and now click on the shortcut button. Just go ahead, select another or alternate keys to activate it. Like I'm selecting press Ctrl key twice. Now before trying it again, after that, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and restart my Mac once. This will help everything settle down, and sometimes this happens for a minor software glitch. A restart will solve that. After the restart, when I try dictation once again, as you can see, my mic is working perfectly and dictation is not acting up anymore. Thanks for watching.